Hello, good morning Germany. So, kahapon guys, bumili kami ng plants doon sa where honey? Where we bought these plants?
The hottest store.
Yeah, in the gardener. So, this one guys is worth of this is 50 euros, right? This is 20 euros and this is 50 euros honey, right? So my God, it's really expensive. So this is really expensive. This is 50 euros, around about almost 3,000. So this one also is almost 1,000 plus, right? So today, uh, nilagyan niya ng water guys para, 'di ba? Para maganda-ganda. 'Di ba? Mm. Bumili kami ng plants yesterday kasi we're going to put it here. 'Di ba? Nag-gardener nami.